On average, we were spending about $100 a lead. Some of the marketing companies we've used have obviously even been above and beyond that. So currently we've switched over to Reflective, and we're averaging out about $20 a lead now. My name is Raj Bhavra. I'm the operations and sales manager here at LG Home Comfort. We're a company that was established in 2017. I believe we're actually the fastest growing HVAC company in the country. Obviously had a lot of different marketing companies that we've tried out, things to that effect. We've dealt with companies in the past that don't answer us right away, and it feels like we're kind of being taken advantage of in the sense that we still see leads coming in. They're taking the money out of the bank account every time for sure, right? So far, Reflective Marketing, we've been using them since actually, I believe Christmas Eve. So it's actually been a bit of a present for us. And on average, we were spending about $100 a lead. Some of the marketing companies we've used have obviously even been above and beyond that. So currently, we've switched over to Reflective, and we're averaging out about $20 a lead now. So it's really a fraction of the cost. And realistically, we were spending about $700 a day with some of the other marketing companies, and now we're getting at least 40, 50 leads for almost that same price, right? So it's fantastic. You know what? Crystal is great to work with. Anytime we have any questions, concerns, we have answers typically within minutes. Obviously, even we get recommendations as far as, hey, this is how your leads are doing. Hey, your costs are going up a little bit, and things to that effect. So we're always kept in the loop without having to keep a microscope over everything.
What would you say to another HVAC company who is on the fence about working with us?
Stay away from Reflective Marketing. They're ours.
I like it. That's great.